Hi there, Jabel here, and in this video, we'll be creating a simple workflow in Highlevel from scratch. We will be focusing on creating and automating appointment booking and follow-up process so that no lead slips through the cracks. Let's get started. So first, on the left side of the dashboard, let's go to automations. Click create workflow, then let's start from scratch. Let's name this workflow appointment booking workflow. The first thing we'll do is add a trigger. Choose contact tag as a trigger so that whenever a contact is tagged, they'll automatically be added into this workflow. Save the trigger before moving on. Next, we'll add our first action. Choose send SMS and write a short, friendly message. Let's use custom field here. Let's use the contact's first name so the message feels personal. At the end of the message, let's include the company details by pulling in the custom values for the company name, email, and phone number. Next, let's add another step which is a wait step and name it wait for contact response. In the wait settings, select contact reply as the condition. Let's add a timeout of 1 day so that if the contact doesn't respond within 24 hours, the workflow will continue. From here, two paths were generated. If the contact replies, send them another SMS with more information on how to proceed. Next, if the contact does not reply within a day, we'll send a reminder SMS. Let's name this action Day 2 Reminder SMS and let's write a simple follow-up message. And that's it. Your appointment booking workflow is complete. Every time a contact gets tagged, they'll automatically get a personalized booking message, a gentle reminder if they don't reply, and clear next steps if they do. It is simple, effective, and keeps your booking process running smoothly.